Hello, welcome to another do-it-yourself video. And today I am going to show you how you can clean the corrosion on your stainless steel. But before we get into that, I would like to ask you to hit that like button. So you see that thumbs up down at the bottom, give me a thumbs up. And if you like do-it-yourself projects and you want to save money by doing it yourself, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you really want to know when I'm posting these things, hit that bell and you will get a notification to let you know when something's new. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to use two simple ingredients. Okay, we're going to use distilled white vinegar and baking soda. And you'll also need a soft cloth. Let's get started. So here's my soft cloth, and this is the sink. If you can see here, it's looking pretty rusty, and the rest of the sink, I could shine this up, clean it anytime. I really want to address this section. Okay, so put on our gloves because we are using products that can be harsh to the skin. And first thing first, I'm going to sprinkle baking soda right around the end, around the edge here. Okay, you sprinkle enough, and it doesn't matter if it's already wet. You might want to dry it a little bit because you do want this this particular reaction to happen. So I'm pouring our vinegar on top. And there you can see it's foaming up. I feel like I'm in third grade again, making that volcano. All I need is some red dye and this will be looking pretty awesome. So as you can see, this particular chemical reaction, it's really breaking down what I want to clean up. So make it an easy cleanup. Okay, so I get a soft cloth, then I just go around and I wipe. Now you want to leave it on for a little bit. The longer you leave it on, the more it'll work. But after you have this reaction, you can see that it is working. This is a fairly clean part of my rag, and as I go through and I wipe it up, you can see that it's getting brighter. Also, what's helpful is that you have the baking soda that gives you a little bit of abrasive property to help scrub. And so there you could see my rag, and you can see what I've done. Now don't try to scrub like, because you can ruin the finish. I'm even going to go a little extra further. Take out the drain itself. Give this a nice little clean. Okay, this is looking way better than it did when I first pulled it out. Like I said, around the edge here, it's gotten pretty bright and shiny. Now I'm going back here, give this a little extra wipe. Then, the best thing we like to do, get some water, rinse it. And it's looking better, it's looking shinier. And I stress the shining. So, now I've done it once, one treatment, and if I want to go at it again just to make sure, or not make sure, but if I want to try to get a little bit more off. Repeat. Okay. Now I am finished, and night and day. And all I used was baking soda and vinegar with a nice little rinse from water. So I think this is a simple way. Got your sink looking cleaner, much cleaner than it did before. So I hope this was helpful. Once again, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until next time.